How to make money online in 2021. Hey everyone, Akshay Rajshekaran here. We live in the most progressive, diverse society ever in the human history, and we behave as if like we have lost a lot of opportunities. And right now I'm just going to tell you the fastest and the most easiest way to make money online with very less capital but like huge gain, like huge return, less risk but like huge gain. Like I will tell you literally, no matter where you are starting right now, which place you are from, whether you have money or not, doesn't matter. You can literally start right now. Now is the best time. If you ask me when is the best time to plant a tree, it was like 20 years back, and the next best time is now. And right now I'm going to tell you the number one, the most easiest way to make money online is like coaching. The e-learning industry is going to be like billions of dollars, over $300 billion in couple of years. People want to learn from experts just like you and me. They want to learn from doers instead of going to Harvard or like Stanford or like IIT and learning from someone like professor. Of course I respect them, but if you really want to learn business, you want to learn from somebody who is already doing it. Like if you want to learn how to lose your weight, you don't want to learn from a book, right? Like you learn, ask a personal trainer how to do the biceps or like the gym, or like you ask a doer like exactly how to go about. And that's the most important thing, coaching and consulting. A lot of people right now are searching on internet every single day how to make money online, how I can lose my weight, how I can grow, how I can improve my communication skills, how I can teach my skills. And right now if you become a coach and help people, especially from people like who are ready to invest in themselves and learn, right? Like coaching is the number one thing. And second thing is consulting. If you are doing something like which your expertise at, like people come and ask you advice over and over again. Now you are not just trading your time for money. Like people want to learn from experts. And second thing is like consulting, right? People want to learn from experts. They pay you for your time, like whatever, like you deliver them the results. And this is the second most easiest way anybody can do. Just pick one niche, one expertise. You just have to nail one thing in life. You don't need to nail everything in the world. You become master of one thing, then start helping people, help them get the transformation. It's all about from the current situation to the desired situation in the least possible time. And if you do that right, trust me guys, like you can easily make like thousands of dollars and lakhs of rupees every single month. And the second was consulting. And the third one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is what like I got started like couple of years back. I didn't have my product of my own or something. I just picked a product which is working phenomenally nice, and it's all about serving. Selling is serving. If you're not helping, like you are doing disservice to yourself. Like you always have to help people. If you want to bring in the transformation for the people's lives, you have to sell. Like become a shameless self-promoter and like help people with whatever knowledge. And like example, like as an affiliate marketer, imagine you are just starting out in the internet marketing, digital marketing life, and you don't have a great product or service. Don't worry, just pick a product, a course or a program or any product which is selling like hotcakes, which has like hundreds of testimonials, success stories. And now you bring the people. You are just like a broker, like the middleman person. A person comes and asks, where can I get a course which teaches about like consulting, or like where can I get a software? And you know that place. You tell him, hey man, how are you? Do come, I'm going to show you the fastest and the most easiest way. And you just show him the way and you get a commission. And high ticket affiliate marketing is like booming in 2021. Make sure that you pick the right product, because always make sure that deliver the best results to customers by always use it and then start promoting it. And that's the easiest way for you to make money online, the affiliate marketing. And the fourth one is like funnels. See, we are living in the world which is like most progressive, diverse society ever in human history. Like we want automation. Systems work, people fail. And if you really want to grow, like you must have a system in place. Like if you have a right system in place which can mint money for you 24/7. Like if you learn, understand the art of funnels, right? Like people come to your landing page, they see a VSL video or a webinar video and they convert automatically. and the attention span of today's human beings is very less. Whereas if you learn how to create the funnel and like you help like business owners, people are ready to pay you like whatever amount you guys like easily you can charge thousands of dollars. Like you just have to understand whom to market, how to market, and if you do it in the right way and if you know what you're doing, trust me, so many people will approach from international countries, start approaching people from tier 1 countries and the top level countries and even like the local people as well, right? It's all about the higher the specific market you go, the higher the prices you can charge. As Elon Musk said, you will be paid always for the proportionate of the problem you solve. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you are going to make. The smaller the problem, the smaller you are going to make, right? And that's the fourth one was funnels. And the fifth one is copywriting. Copywriting is one of the highest paid skills in the world. Like it's all about understanding the psychology of the people, understanding the persuasion, how to persuade people by writing the right copy. It's all about, now imagine like you want to talk to someone on the phone and like trying him to convince about your product or something. It is going to take like so much time. Maybe if 100 people come, 1000 people come, you will not be able to scale. But by writing a great copy, by understanding the pain points, understanding the desires of the human being, by understanding what he wants, and you just put it in a nice, clean, crisp copy, and people are going to come and automatically buy their programs. And copywriters easily can charge like thousands of dollars, which is like lakhs of rupees in Indian rupees. And the next pillar is like high ticket sales. The sixth one, the most important, is like high ticket sales. Selling is serving, as I have said. Like you will be easily able to charge, like when you're able to close like a high ticket deals, which is like $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. High ticket sales people get paid approximately like 10%, 20% of the sale. Like imagine you are able to close a deal which is like worth $10,000. Like you just have to close, you just have to talk to the right prospect on the phone, either on like Zoom or like on Skype, or else like on the phone. You just tell them, hey man, what's your current situation, what's your desired situation, and then like you qualify them and like you will be able to sell them out. And if they buy from your this thing, like after you talking to them, the company or the CEO is going to pay you. And that's why it is so important for you to learn high income skills. And if you learn in the right way, like easily, like you will be able to scale. Now we learned like so many things. I'm just going to recap it again. The number one is coaching, second one is consulting, affiliate marketing, funnels, copywriting, high ticket sales. These are the 6 things. You just have to master one thing. Don't try to become master of all, right? Master of all is like very difficult. You just have to nail one thing, focus your time, energy into one thing, block out all the noise, and like go all in. Like when you master it, more and more people are going to take your service, the more results you are going to get, the more expertise you are going to get, and easily like you will be able to scale to like 6 figures in Indian rupees, make like lakhs of rupees and thousands of dollars every single month. Just learn one skill and master it and start helping more people, start reaching out to more people, showcase your stuff, and that's how like you will be able to scale. And let me know what was your biggest takeaway in the comments below, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Namaste.